Stay tuned to find out how to do this DIY abstract art. To begin, we're going to take a gold paint. I'm using Master's Touch, and we are going to kind of haphazardly paint gold all over the canvas. Remember, this is abstract, and so you can let your creativity flow. Once we get our canvas covered in the gold, we're going to take this apple barrel blue. It's a blue cotton color, and we're going to add this to our canvas. Again, really there's no rhyme or reason, and no way that you paint your canvas will be wrong. So this is completely customizable. You can use any colors you want. These are just the colors that I chose. But we're going to add this blue all across our canvas, mixing in with the gold. While I was painting, I decided to go ahead and paint the edges of my canvas, all four sides, the blue cotton color, just because I thought it was really pretty and kind of made it fade away. Next, we're using this apple barrel mountain blue, and we are adding this into our color scheme. I am just adding random dots throughout the canvas, and then I am going to take my paintbrush and lightly stroke through those dots of blue. And this will just add that darker blue into the mix. Now I am going to add my lips to my painting. I am using Mod Podge, and I am going to be adding this to the back of the lips and using a paintbrush to smooth the Mod Podge out, giving it a thin coat on the back of the lips. And then once I get the Mod Podge painted all across the entire back surface of the lips, then I am going to add this to my painting. Using the Mod Podge will act as an adherent so that it will stay attached to the painting. Lastly, I'm going to take this Master's Touch black acrylic paint, and I am going to use it to paint eyelashes onto my painting. Now keep in mind, you could always stop with your canvas when you finish adding your colors abstractly, but I wanted to add this little cute touch of adding the eyelashes and the lips, just to add another element to our abstract painting today. But you can always stop at adding your colors, let it dry, and hang it up. Once I finished my eyelashes, I left it to dry. And here is our finished DIY abstract art. I hung it next to my world map, and it looks really cute. I really like how it came out. I would do another one, I think, just doing the color scheme alone, because I really like the combination of the gold and the two hues of blue. But I thought this was really cute and really quirky, and so I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY this week. Leave me a comment down below what colors you would use. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, leave me a comment below, and share it with a friend. I'm so happy that everybody is still tuning in every week. I am enjoying making content for you guys because I know a lot of us are still stuck at home. Take time to video chat a loved one today. Make sure you wash your hands. Stay out of the stores if you can. And hug a loved one if you're able. I hope you guys have a blessed day wherever you are and whatever you're doing. Always keep creating. All right. I love you guys. Bye.